Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to go from this to that. And it is easier and cheaper than what you might think. Now these are the standard EL Falcon door handles for the base model Falcon. However, the top of the range models got these nice chrome ones. However, the problem is these cost around $100 to $200 a set, whereas these ones are pretty much worthless. And me being me, I did not want to spend $200 for a set of inner door handles just to get the chrome part. So here's what I did. If you look around you can find these. And these are a different colour. And this colour makes them a lot less desirable. Most Falcons have the grey colour. There's virtually no Falcons with this colour. There's only some Fairmonts, I believe, and look, let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. There's only some Fairmonts that come out in this colour, and guess what? Fairmonts got the chrome door handles. So what I did, I picked up a set of 4 of these for next to nothing. And the other reason I got these so cheap is because these were broken. I'm not sure if this shows up on the camera, but this one's got a crack right where the mounting pin for the door latch is. This one here was broken. So most people don't want these. But what they don't realise is that these are really easy to change over, and I'll show you how to do that in this video. It literally takes 2 minutes to go from this to that. And you save yourself a whole lot of money. I think I paid $60 or maybe $50 for the set of 4 of these. Whereas if I wanted to buy a set of 4 of these in great condition, I'd be paying at least $100, possibly more. So let's have a look at how we swap these over. Here's the handle that I want to take off. So the first thing you will need to do to be able to get this handle off is take off that part here. You just gently press in these little tabs. It doesn't take that much effort. You just slightly bend them in. So once you've done that, you just get something under here and gently lever up. And that ring here comes off, and then you can just push that part down and you put that aside. Then you'll notice there's a rolling pin there that holds this in place. So you will just need a correct size punch to push that pin out so it comes out down the bottom there. Now when you do that, just be gentle because these parts are only plastic. It doesn't take a lot of effort. You can see there the pin's already starting to come out. And then it just comes apart like that. And this is pretty much rubbish now because, like I said, I just bought these because they were cheap and I've got no further use for these. So now you take the original handle that you've taken out of your car, but now be even more careful because you don't want to break this, okay? If you break this, you're going to have to buy another one from somewhere. Start getting that pin out. Now we take this off, and you can see how your spring sits in there just like that. Get your chrome handle, put that back into place, and then you just replace your pin. And here's your completed product working fine. Your pin's back in, your spring is back in there. And now it's time to install it back in your car and just enjoy your shiny chrome. Chrome gets you home. Now in my excitement of shiny chrome door handles, I've almost forgotten about this little thing. So just make sure you install that back in there. So you just push that back up, get your retainer ring and clip it over the top. There you go. All done. So now we're finished and it's time to do 3 more. Now I hope you found this video useful and you can go out and upgrade your own door latches on your own car now. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do me a favour and give me a big thumbs up And don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.